In this video, I'll be explaining to you how to activate a credit card in Chase.com or in Chase. As you can see, this is a created article or prepared article to answer this common question or this common problem. There are two methods in activating of your credit card. First is the calling of the number. Well, this is the offline way. Well, you just need to look for the sticker on your credit card that contains instructions on how to activate your card. Meanwhile, there is also the activating of your credit card online, which we'll be focusing in this video. First is to find the sticker on your credit card, which includes a secured website link made only for your credit card. So this website link is made to activate your card online. Once you are on the website, you'll have to follow a set of instructions or directions which may include verifying your credit card number and also security questions. So after activating your card, you can immediately use it after verifying the receipt or activating the card. So that's how you can activate your credit card in Chase easily and online. And thank you for listening.